How's it going, man?
You going to the car meet?
Oh boy. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog on this semi-chilly Saturday as we are casually coasting to Manhattan. Cruising to Manhattan to take care of a little task. This morning I'm a landlord. I have to go fix a door. A strike on the door frame. Bro. Okay. That's mad. Alright. A strike on the door frame got broken. And the spindle for the doorknob keeps getting loose. Which both seem like pretty easy tasks. You always got to come into these things expecting the best. But not fully knowing that things can get a little trickier, but it's all good. Just gotta approach it as a fun task, and I get to pay a little bit of a congestion price since we're going to Manhattan. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. Oh, cute little Ducati over there. So yeah, I gotta basically go check out the problem, take some measurements, then run to this hardware store, and then go back and replace these things. That said, normally I would take the train, you know, but it will take a lot longer on the train versus on the bike. The brightness of my phone is so dim, can't see shit. So much faster than taking the L train to the F train or to the 6. I'd be walking to the train still. But now we're here for only $4.50. Not a lot of traffic either. Might just do it by the book. Might just do it by the proper book. I'm sure there's police ahead. There always is. That's fine. We'll show it here. A little bit of cops ahead. Basically just gotta go to the right a little bit over there. All good. I mean, that's a turning lane right there. Could just do all that. Change it up a little bit and never go this way. Change it up a touch. It's a cute little street, this. Lower East Side. I used to walk around here all the time back in the day. Look at this folk. Florida, baby. What's popping off? Nice and chill. Look at this. Cheese steaks, baby. There's a lot of motorcyclists behind me, so we're essentially on the street that we need and no more than a few blocks away from the promised land, so we might as well just chill out. No need to get spicy now. What's going on, man? Nice. How's it going, man?
You going to the car meet?
A what?
You going to the car meet?
No, I gotta do some other shit.
Oh, okay,
You're going to the car meet, to the Ducati thing?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I wish I could do it. I might go in an hour if they're still there. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's going to 11.
Yeah. Are you gonna test ride some bikes?
I don't know. Oh, you mean Ducati?
What?
No, I don't think so.
No.
I think I'm just gonna do this one, but yeah, there's two cars there. I think it's a Porsche day.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
By the way, man.
Thank you, man. I have the same helmet too. It's nice. I like this one.
Okay, safe?
Hell yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah, man. All right, brother.
All right.
Ride safe. Chill out. Here, that's fine. It's all good. That was cute. I couldn't understand half the things he's saying, but there's a Ducati event. I totally forgot about it. Damn. That sucks. Oh well. There is a Ducati Meetup. I think the guy said he liked my bike. It is possible. Maybe he didn't. I'm not sure. Either way, I forgot where I was going. I got so excited, like I'm thinking about going to Ducati now, and I'm like, no, right, I gotta go do fucking landlord shit. And it's funny, this vlog, I was not gonna talk. This vlog was gonna be about silence. It's not. Ended up being a talky vlog. Come on, folks. Everybody's so mellow. earth is there no parking here? That is bizarre. You can go park right there. Park right here. I'm definitely gonna put on my little lock on because I don't trust these streets here. Beautiful. Yeah, there's a Planned Parenthood on the corner there. I'm about to pass it, and there's always religious people there, you know, trying to I guess get people to not have abortions or whatever. So yeah, we're not gonna worry about all that. See, that's the problem with my plan here. All sorts of shit here. Alright, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna put on the lock and then we're good. I'm only gonna be here for a few minutes hopefully, but still worth it because it's a busy New York City street. Alright, cool. Here we go. I want to see what's going on over there, so I'm going to walk with my helmet. Let's see. I think we're good. That's funny. That used to be Jane right there. But not anymore. Kind of want to see what's going on here. Weird. What is happening? Oh boy. Good Lord. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, Planned Parenthood and some sort of a demonstration in front of it. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.